Hey guys, Stephanie here. So in this video, I'm going to show you some finished jewelry projects from the supplies that beebeecraft.com sent me. And I did a review and unboxing in the last video from beebeecraft, and I will link that video above if you want to see, the products that they sent, but I'm going to show you most of them now. So I went ahead for time and I made some projects ahead of time because I want to show you, the finished, how they look finished with the finished beads and all of that. So I made 4 pairs of earrings and a double-stranded bracelet. And I use these beautiful beads that they sent me, these 4mm Rondelle beads that sparkle so pretty and they look so good. And out of that I made this beautiful bracelet. I use the pink and gray and the white beads for that. It came out so pretty. Look at that. Gorgeous, right? Perfect size for smaller bracelets. And then I use that, but then I also use the toggle clasp that they sent me in the kit. Like a full box of toggle clasps on here. Okay, see that? How it works? This is how it works. I'll show you. Put it apart like that. And that's how it looks. Really pretty. And these are my own embellishments. And if you hear noise, I have my window open because it's sort of warm here today in Los Angeles. But yeah, so I use that. And this is the toggle clasp that I used. So that one, okay? So it came out really cute, I think. Really pretty. All right, so I did that. And then also I used the wire guards that they sent. And I put those on here as well. Let's see, let me show you what I did here. Let's open this up. And I have had jewelry making videos in the past where I've used these. And those are in the playlist, and I'll link that in the show notes if you guys want to see that. For those of you new subscribers who have never seen that from me. So I will show you that. But then I use these, which I love this little box because look, it turns like that and you could just pick them out. Pick out which color you want. So that's really cool how they come out like that. So yeah, really nice. I love that. I'm going to have definitely get a couple more of these because I use these wire guards quite often when making necklaces and bracelets. So yeah. And I used the silver ones for this particular bracelet. So here's one that I used right there. All right. And then you just put it in there and you just close it up. Go around this way. And then you do it like that. One got caught in there, but that's okay. I'll fix it. So yeah, that's how that works. And I'm sure this is the bracelet, like I said. Very pretty. This is how it looks on. Isn't that pretty? How it sparkles like that? So pretty. And it hangs really, really nice. So yeah, this may be going to some friend mail and happy mail, guys. Then I made these pretty round memory wire earrings. I've made these earrings in the past and always make them so big. So this time I decided not to make them so giant. It's like ginormous. Because this can be a lot, And I like that these beads are great for earrings because they're not so heavy. Some of these little beads, once you put a whole bunch of them on a, ear wire or something like that, or the memory wire for earrings, it can be really heavy. If you're using flex wire or something like that. These are nice and light, very, very light. So this is the design I came up with, making the white and the gray. Very pretty. I use my own ear wires and my own silver findings for those. And just put the little crystal bead in there. So they came out really, really pretty. So yeah, gorgeous, right? Really nice. Yeah, I love that. Then I made these kind of different ones. These, I put some chain on them. And I used the memory wire for that. And I used the green ones on this one. With my own these are my own crystal beads. And then my own rhinestones, Rondelle spacers. And then my own other silver spacers. So I think they came out really gorgeous. Like, really, they hang really, really nice too, guys. Really nice. So if you're looking for small beads to add to like TN charms or to make small bracelets or earrings, these are perfect for that. And I will leave the link below so you guys can, or at least leave the information below so you can go to the website and find it. And then I made these beautiful ones from the turquoise beads. Then I made this is gold. And then those are my own personal gold spacers that I use. So they came out really, really cute. I love these. These are my favorite. Really nice. Great summer earrings. All these are really pretty summer earrings. I wanted to make some really pretty summer earrings. So I did that. And then this is my other favorite. So all these I made I really like. These are pretty easy to make. So, and you know, yeah, these are really easy to make with up the memory wire. Yeah, and I use the blue beads and my own gold findings for that. Let's see, can I hold them? There we go. Uh-oh, we're getting tangled. Hold on. Okay, there we go. So yeah, I made my own, use my own gold findings for that. Really cute. Okay, so currently running, they have a sale on the website. And it's free shipping over $25. So you definitely want to check that out. All right, and they run specials occasionally from time to time. So you definitely want to, you know, maybe get notifications from the website if you can. All right, and I thank beebeecraft for sending me these wonderful products to make beautiful jewelry. And I thank you guys for watching. And if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Make sure you hit like and subscribe and hit that bell, the notification bell, so you'll be notified when the videos are uploaded. I got lots of stuff coming. And I will catch you in the next video. Ciao.